Let's turn to real estate, but not in your neighborhood or even on your planet. Money's now flowing into a new area of the market, lunar data centers. Diana Olick is here with me to break it down. Diana?
Well, John, this sounds crazy, but it's actually real. Look, this is the next frontier, both on the moon and here on Earth. I sat down with the global chief investment officer of Hines, a real estate investment and development firm. He likens it to the early days of the railroads, when entire towns rose up around new stations.
We're creating these new rails, if you will, of the future. In this case, it's more into orbit instead of on the ground. But when you think about it that way and think about all the nodes that are going to get developed and created, it's exciting. And I think investors need to be thinking that way.
Hines recently announced the acquisition of a nearly 250,000 square foot industrial property in Florida's Space Coast submarket to support those making the space construction play. Companies like Ethos, which is planning lunar construction sites to build data centers.
It's a whole new world waiting to be developed, and we develop it. We turn it into landing pads, roads, foundations for data centers, and other great things.
So why put data centers in space? Because you don't need to cool them, and you can power them fully by solar. Now, we have much more on that on our brand new real estate platform for real estate investors. It's called Property Play. It has a weekly newsletter and a video podcast with all sorts of things from these two gentlemen that I spoke with. It is all launching today. Check out the QR code.